The world is full of strange and unbelievable things, but what if I told you that some of the craziest facts are actually true? Join me as we uncover hidden wonders and unusual truths. Today on Curious Endeavors, we're counting down 10 facts that sound fake but are real. Prepare to question everything you thought you knew. Stick around, because number 1 will change the way you see the world forever. Take the banana for instance. It's a fruit, that much is clear. But would you believe it if I told you that a banana is actually a berry? In botany, a berry develops from a single flower ovary and contains seeds. And surprisingly, bananas fit this description perfectly. Nature has a funny way of keeping us on our toes, doesn't it? Imagine soaring high above the landscape, gazing down at the sparkling waters below, but instead of blue, you're greeted by a vibrant pink lake. This is Lake Hillier in Western Australia. Its bubblegum pink hue is real. Scientists attribute this to Dunaliella salina microalgae, which produce beta-carotene, the same pigment in carrots. Octopuses, with their bulbous heads, intelligent eyes, and 8 sinuous arms, seem like creatures straight out of science fiction. These masters of disguise possess 3 hearts pumping blue blood. 2 hearts pump blood through their gills, while the third circulates oxygenated blood. Octopuses use copper-rich hemocyanin, unlike our iron-rich hemoglobin, to carry oxygen. Cockroaches, those seemingly indestructible denizens of the dark, are infamous for their resilience. But their ability to survive even the most gruesome of injuries is truly the stuff of nightmares. Believe it or not, a cockroach can survive for weeks without its head. Their decentralized nervous system and open circulatory system mean that decapitation doesn't result in immediate death from blood loss or brain death, as it would in humans. However, without a mouth to eat, they eventually succumb to dehydration and starvation. Clouds drift across the sky, ethereal and ever-changing, seemingly weightless in their journey across the vast blue canvas. But the truth is, clouds are far heavier than their fluffy appearance suggests. An average cumulus cloud can weigh over 1,000,000 pounds. That's equivalent to the weight of a fully loaded Boeing 747 jumbo jet. These droplets are so small and spread out over such a vast area that their weight is distributed, allowing them to remain suspended in the air. Immortality. It's a concept that has captivated humanity for centuries. In the depths of our oceans, a creature has seemingly unlocked the secret to eternal life. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, the immortal jellyfish. It reverts to its juvenile form when faced with injury, starvation, or old age. Though not invincible, this adaptation makes them biologically immortal. Shrimp, those diminutive crustaceans that grace our dinner plates, might seem like simple creatures. But beneath their unassuming exterior lies a surprising secret. Their hearts aren't where you might expect. Instead of residing in their chests like ours, a shrimp's heart is located in its head. This unusual placement is just one of the many adaptations that allow these creatures to thrive in their aquatic environments. And, as if that wasn't strange enough, shrimp share another surprising trait with octopuses. Their blood is blue. We all know that water can exist in 3 states: solid ice, liquid water, and gaseous vapor. But under the right conditions, water can exist in all 3 states simultaneously. This is known as the triple point. At 0.01 degrees Celsius and 611.657 pascals, water can transition between solid, liquid, and gas. It can boil and freeze at the same time. Wombats, those adorable Australian marsupials with their stout bodies and powerful digging claws, are full of surprises. But perhaps their most peculiar trait is their unique approach to defecation. Wombats don't just poop anywhere. They're quite particular about their lavatory habits, preferring to deposit their droppings in strategic locations to mark their territory. And what makes these territorial markers even more unusual is their shape. They're cubes. When we gaze up at the night sky, we are met with a breathtaking vista of twinkling stars, a seemingly infinite expanse of celestial bodies stretching out into the cosmos. But what if I told you that there are more trees on Earth than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy? It seems unfathomable, but it's true. Scientists estimate that our home galaxy contains somewhere between 100 and 400 billion stars. In contrast, a recent study estimated that there are over 3 trillion trees on Earth. From the pink-hued waters of Lake Hillier to the immortal jellyfish that can cheat death, our planet is filled with wonders that challenge our understanding and ignite our imagination. Which fact blew your mind the most? If you enjoyed this journey into the strange and unbelievable, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to Curious Endeavors for more mind-blowing discoveries from the natural world and beyond. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and never stop being curious about the world around you.